Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of reporting fraud to Wells Fargo. It's essential to act quickly to protect your funds and ensure your account's security. Follow these simple steps to report any suspicious activity or fraud you may encounter. Step 1. Gather information. Before you contact Wells Fargo, make sure you have all relevant information at hand. This includes your account number, details of the fraudulent transaction, any correspondence related to the fraud, emails, messages, etc., the date when the suspicious activity occurred. Step 2. Access Wells Fargo customer service. You can report fraud to Wells Fargo by calling their customer service at 1-800-869-3557. This line is available 24/7, allowing you to report fraud at any time. If you prefer, you can also visit your local Wells Fargo branch for in-person assistance. Step 3. Report the fraudulent activity. When you reach a customer service representative, clearly explain that you are reporting fraudulent activity. Provide them with the information you gathered in Step 1. It's crucial to be concise and direct to expedite the reporting process. Step 4. Follow their instructions. The representative may ask you to verify your identity, so be prepared to answer security questions. They may also instruct you on additional steps to secure your account, such as changing your password, setting up transaction alerts, or placing a hold on your account. Step 5. Monitor your account. After reporting the fraud, keep a close eye on your account. Check for any further unauthorized transactions and notify Wells Fargo immediately if you notice anything suspicious. Consider setting up account alerts through your online banking account to receive notifications for any significant activity. Step 6. Document everything. Keep a record of your communication with Wells Fargo, including dates, times, and the names of representatives you spoke with. This documentation will be helpful if you need to escalate the matter or if future issues arise. Step 7. Report to the appropriate agencies. If necessary, report the fraud to local law enforcement and the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. This provides an extra layer of protection and helps authorities track fraudulent activities. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on how to report fraud to Wells Fargo. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and information.